Hi everyone and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with the Kroger BOGO deals for December the 5th through December the 11th of 2018. So yeah, there are quite a few BOGO deals. I did the best I could to try to get through the entire store, and I got whatever I did see. And also be sure to check out my other Kroger couponing deals videos for this week because there are some really good deals that you don't want to miss out. This is just simply the BOGO deals going on at Kroger right now. So you need to keep in mind this could do one of two things. It could either be a true BOGO or a non-BOGO. If you're in a true BOGO, the first item will ring up at full price while the second item rings up at zero. And then if you're in a non-BOGO, each item will just ring up for half off. So that's something really important to remember. So, yeah, keep that in mind. And come back tomorrow also for the video. I'll have up about the 3-day sale because you do not want to miss out on that. So, yeah, let's just dive right into these awesome BOGO deals. So we have buy one, get one free on the Ballpark hot dogs, which is a good deal. Let me give you shelf price because I always like to look that up for you all. Ballpark hot dogs. All right, they are $2.99. So $2.99, and they are buy one, get one free. I can't find a shelf price for this, but they're buy one, get one free for these Carnando meatballs. The Kroger brats and stuff, they are about $3.99 each. So those are buy one, get one for free. Pretty much any of these Kroger shrimp platters, the 20, 40, or 60 count are buy one, get one free. So these big pens are $1.99 and buy one, get one free. Some of them are actually $1.59, buy one, get one free. So you could really do good there. Black pencils are also a part of the BOGO sale. These Kroger USDA choice pork and beef and stuff, they're buy one, get one free. Pork chops, select ones are buy one, get one free. These Kroger pork tenderloins, $6.99, buy one, get one free. Then the Smithfield tenderloins are also buy one, get one free at $7.99. Boneless pork chops are buy one, get one free. Noosa yogurt is also buy one, get one free. The Live Clean body lotion is $5.49 and it is buy one, get one free. These Yasso bars are $4.99 and they are buy one, get one free. This Yasso ice cream is $4.49 and they are buy one, get one free, so like $2.24. So, yeah, that is about all that I have for now, for the BOGOs. So, yeah, be sure to check back tomorrow for the midweek sale video. And, yeah, that's all that I have for now. Check out this other video if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching.